So, remember that noise I talked about in my last few videos? It's back. I have to run to the facility. Found out where it was coming from. This is where they're doing it from. Right here. By the toilet. In the bathroom. Remember my lovely neighbors that I talked about? So I'm hoping that it's this noise. But unfortunately it's not. I was hoping that it would be that noise, but it's not. The floor is vibrating too hard for it to be that noise. Now, pardon me, but I have to go TT. And I'm not pausing anything, just in case they stop it. But it's weird how that noise is following me, right? Just the weirdest stuff. In the bathroom, out of all the places. Trust me, that's not the same old fan. Now, this is the red carpet at. This is where me and the neighbors who were in the fire ended up at. The same neighbors who tried to say that I set the house fire. But yet, that sound is back. And already I've had someone lie and say that they saw me smoking a cigarette inside the room at 5 o'clock this morning. That's why the video was posted. That's why.